So the beauty of carbon fiber made KAFO, we can say knee ankle foot orthosis or caliper, used for polio patient, PPS. Any message for Somalian guys who needs caliper, maybe artificial leg, maybe hand, who lost their leg because of trauma, accident, or
Yes, this will help a lot.
yeah.
And a lot of people, I know a lot of people who have the same condition like me. So they really need to come here and get this device, and so they can walk better anytime, the way they like, the way they can walk any distance. So it's good.
It's
So
good.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
But he is doing fantastic. Where are you from?
Somalia.
Somalia. Great country with great people like you. Somalian. Just show me, how do you sit? How do you use this caliper? Yeah, come fast. Just come fast. Show me, how do you sit? Yes, tell me about how do you feel about this?
So when I'm wearing the device, it's like I'm strong. I can walk anytime I want. So it's really good. So I appreciate. Thank you very much. So I will tell a lot of people like me, they have to come and see this.
And without this, how do you fall? Like without any device or what we have
That's
given
bad.
you?
That's bad. I cannot even walk 2 minutes
Yeah, 2 minutes.
without device.
Even you cannot extend too much. Yeah.
So it's really bad. It really helps me. I cannot do anything. I cannot walk. So I cannot even walk 2 minutes. So with device, it's better. It's like I'm really strong.
And do you feel it's heavy? Any
No, it's
weight
not
or
heavy.
anything?
Not
Yeah.
heavy. It's very light.
Yeah, because of the fitting, because of the
Yeah.
suspension, you don't feel any weight.
No.
Otherwise, there is a weight.
Yes.
People afraid that it's very heavy. We cannot use it.
There's
we
no
will not-
heavy. There's no heavy.
There's no
Because
heavy.
before this, I thought it's heavy, and
Yeah.
I cannot wear this, and
Yeah.
my trousers cannot fit, and I cannot even carry around or something like that. So now I see it. Now it's fitting nicely. I can walk it. It's like just like attached to my leg.
Touches to your
Yeah,
leg.
that's good.
Completely
Thank you
fitted.
very much.
Selectly fitted. Yes, thank you.